Here I've got BLU Grand M2, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick display, and then go to the wallpaper. It's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be either something from Photos gallery or one from default wallpapers, and this is what I will pick. Now let's come along with all possibilities. And let me choose, for example, this one, and if you would like to apply it, just click on Set Wallpaper. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. And the third option is the one that I would choose, both home and lock screen. And as you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So this is it. This is how you can very quickly and easily change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.